Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI, and as you can see, it is extremely windy today at the beach. So I'm so glad that I have this umbrella from AMMSUN. The anti-wind flaps at the top allow my umbrella to not take off when the wind comes, and I don't have to be that person that's chasing their umbrella down the beach. I love the bar that comes with the anchor because it gives me more leverage to actually screw the anchor down, deeper down into the sand, so that I know my umbrella is not going to be pushed over by the wind. And the angle feature is great because when the sun is repositioning itself, I don't have to reposition the entire umbrella. I can just change the angle of it, which is super convenient. The carrying case makes it so easy to keep everything in one spot. And I'm only 4'11", and I can easily carry it over my shoulder without it dragging on the ground. So if you're looking for the perfect beach umbrella that you won't have to chase down the beach this year, you're going to want to grab this one from AMMSUN. And that's my point of view.